Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of April 11th through April 17th in my Plum Paper Hourly Planner. And a little bit of an update since the last time I planned in this planner. I've actually got another one already. And this is the new planner that I have starting. Actually, this one starts in May. So starting in May, I decided to go with the colorful on this one instead of the modern color scheme, which I had been sticking with in this planner. So this, I have to say, this cover is amazing. Not only is the design pretty, but like the actual top sheet, this clear situation, there's not a scratch on it. Like usually there's a little something going on in Plum Paper planners when I get them. There's a little scratch, a little nick, and it gives a personality. It's fine. But this one came pretty much pristine, so extra excited about that. But yep, it's the same book, but I went with the colorful scheme, and then also I did a Monday start on the months. Let me see if I can find one here. So yeah, Monday start on the months. I didn't want any other holidays or anything else cluttering up the monthly page. So that's really it. And I didn't get any customization on the pages themselves. So I paid extra to have customization, which is just having it blank. So I think that's a nice way to keep it open and flexible. And yeah, that's my next planner. So that is what I'll be starting in May. But for now, let's go ahead and plan this week in April. So since last week, here is how the previous week turned out. Let me grab a pen real quick. All right, so I got my Sharpie. So things that I have done, I did not do the Amazon returns, did not the Zappos return. I did schedule some massages, so at least I did get that done. I didn't fill this out the rest of the way, and when I did a little bit, I used the wrong pen and it smeared, so I don't know, it's fine. I actually did a really good job getting in the workout. So I worked out Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday last week. So I got my 3 in. I did not work out Thursday though, but that's okay. I wanted to get 3 and I did get my 3 in. I also got that video posted. Let's see, no mani-pedis, but I did go wine tasting. That was a super fun time with my girlfriends. And then for weekly reset today, I currently have laundry happening. Let's see, Loon did the meal plan because he's amazing lately. That has been great. Loon also did the groceries and I did get some cleaning done this morning. Otherwise, yeah, this is the last week. Also, I don't know why I put this canceled sticker going that way. I feel like it would have looked better going the other way, but I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what I was thinking? Okay, let's go ahead and plan this week now. All right, so I actually decided I don't want to do a kit. I don't know why. I was just feeling like I don't want to do a kit this week. What I do have is some super pretty washi that I've had for a few years now, actually. This is the Neutral Layers washi from Erin Condren, and I can't believe I still have it because I feel like I've used this washi more than other washis, and I definitely used this one and the other one in the pack because it came with this one and also came with a colorful one. I cannot even get this started, my goodness. Anyway, I was looking for the colorful one and I think I used it all. I think I actually used that one up, so I don't have it anymore. Okay, so I've tried to use this a couple times now, and every time I do, it gets ripped somehow. So I'm gonna try to be really careful with it, and we'll see if we can get this to happen nicely because I really like this for this week. So I'm gonna just put it along the bottom just to give it a little bit of extra decoration since I'm not using a kit. I still do want it to be pretty, so. Okay, that looks nice. I'm fine with that. I don't know, I just had a really tough time getting started off the roll. So I definitely don't expect anyone to have noticed this, but I've been really messing with my sound lately, trying to get it better. And in some cases it's come out worse, but I'm hoping that I'm trying something else this time. So hopefully this time the sound is even better and not worse. Because I feel like my last batch of maybe the last 3 videos, it was worse because I did them all in a row. So they all had the same sound issue, but hopefully this one is better. So I actually have a new mic, and it's kind of funny the way I have to do with the cord going into my phone, which is where I'm filming. It's like wrapped around me like a scarf. So if I were to try to get up quickly, the whole situation would come falling apart. It would be pretty comical. I think this is looking good. What I do want to do here is I think try to cover this up. There's a little bit of a spot where the Sharpie or something from the previous week was bleeding through. So I'm gonna try to cover that up with some more washi as well, and maybe leave this for an area to plan something up. Maybe I can find like a habit tracker or something to put in here. And I don't know how this is gonna turn out. This might not be the best, but at least it's a way to try something new for this week and just kind of mix it up. So next I want to go in and I want to block off the work week, but I didn't want to use like a really heavy black pen like I've been doing because this is kind of grays and we've got this like pastel situation going on here. So I think what I'm going to do is take this, it's like a gray silver marker thing from Erin Condren. I think it came from some kind of a give away one for a surprise box or something at some point. I know I didn't buy it, but we're going to try it today. And this week for work, I'm doing, let's see, at least the first part of the week is going to be just kind of a straight up 8 to like 4:30 probably on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And I don't know if I'm liking how this is looking or not. I might have been happier with one of my mild liners. Oh, that's terrible. But there's not a lot of ink in it. Maybe it's like an older pen or marker or highlighter. Again, I'm not sure, but now I feel like I'm committed, so we're gonna just finish it out. Now, Thursday and Friday are actually going to be a little bit later starts and also later end times. I'm gonna start more like 9-ish and then go till 5-ish. Yeah, I'm regretting this marker. I might throw this out when I'm done because I think it's just old and it's just drying up is the issue. Okay, so I'm gonna put this work from home sticker down on Thursday because Thursday I'm doing work from home. And then the other days are just work. So I think I have a work sticker here as well. Here we go. All right, that's coming together. So other things that we have going on this week is we have Chris Hockey, of course, and that's Tuesday and Thursday. I know I have a sticker that says Chris Hockey somewhere. Here we go. I'm not crazy. I do have it. Okay, so Chris Hockey is going to be on Tuesday and then also on Thursday as well. There are a couple things I have going on outside of work this week. One is that I have a hair appointment, and that is on Monday. And then also it is trash day on Monday. And then on Friday, yes, Friday, I have a really early morning doctor's appointment. And also my mom comes here, so that's super fun. Let me see if I can find something that's gonna do gray better. I don't know, should I try this again? So it matches? No, I can't. Let me see if I can find my mild liner. Okay, I trust this gray one a little bit more, so I think I'm gonna use the thick side of this now and just give a longer line because my mom is coming to visit. And she's coming through the weekend, which is Easter weekend, and then into the next week a little bit. So maybe I'll do like an arrow here. Just gonna write in Lulu visiting because that's what my kids call my mom. Okay, what else do I have going on this week? So our flooring is getting delivered tomorrow, actually. That's Monday. So I'm going to write something in here to the effect of flooring delivery. Maybe I'll do that horizontally. But yeah, we're getting our laminates getting delivered on Monday because that has to sit in our house for like 3 days before they can install it. So that's going in the kitchen. And then they're coming to install all of the rest of the carpet and the laminates at some point, but that hasn't been scheduled yet, which is making me a little bit nervous. I'm hoping it's not going to come when my mom's here because that'd be a lot to shuffle. And honestly, I don't want her to like feel like just to work or move stuff around. So at this point, we might have to hold off and get it installed after. I don't know. We'll have to see. Loon's going to call them back to schedule on, again, Monday, which is tomorrow. So I'll just put here flooring, delivery. I don't know. Is that too much exclamation points? I like exclamation points. I put an exclamation point next to everything. Could put on trash day. Trash day. That would be silly. Okay, let me see if I can find some kind of like a habit situation. I don't know what I want to put down here. Maybe I need like some kind of a little inspiration thing. Okay, so I have all these like little freebie things from different places, and what I'm looking for is something that's like a habit tracker. I feel like I had some in here, but I might not have. Oh, I do. Here we go. These are Mama Gloria. So let's do that, especially because these are kind of within the same color family as the rest of what we have happening here. So I think maybe 2, and let's do this light pink color. And then also maybe this kind of periwinkle color as well. And the 2 habits I want to work on are going to be my Peloton streak for the week and then also water. We'll label it all habits. I'm hoping this doesn't smear on the washi. We'll let it dry a little bit before we touch it. Actually, you know what? Just to make sure, I think I'm going to cover it with something else just because I don't feel confident it looks like it's going to smear. So maybe this one will go in with this, and hopefully that will help a little bit. I think that's good. And I'm going to look in the sticker book and see what I have for something that's more like a quote to put down in here. Let's do the resting beach face just because it's cute. And I feel like it's still, the text is still light enough that it doesn't make the rest of the page look too heavy. Okay, so workouts this week. I think what I want to do is I have some pre-checkboxed stickers from Alexandra Nicole Plans. I'm just going to use these and keep it simple. So looking at where I have space for workouts for sure would be Wednesday again. That seems to be a really good one for workouts because there's no hair appointment and no hockey, just kind of process of elimination. And I'm still trying to get the 3 workouts in per week. So I think I will need to do one. Well, I'm probably not going to want to work out when my mom is here. So I'm going to put another one here. I'll have to work out around Chris's hockey, and then same thing here. I think I'm gonna have to work out around Chris's hockey as well. He's there for a while, so once I drop him off, it is feasible that I can get a workout in. I just will need to keep in mind that that has to happen. It's not quite as easy, if that makes sense. All right, as for the weekend, let's see. I did see one of these stickers that I haven't used for a while, and that is this little like grocery thing, which I think is just really pretty, and the colors can go nicely there as well. And then also I've got these check boxes from Mama Gloria as well, which again look pastel and like they will work. So ordering groceries, we usually do that on Sunday. So that'll come up here. And then also on Sundays, we usually do just kind of stuff to reset for the week. So I'm gonna just flip this upside down technically, I guess, and add one of these in for laundry. And I don't want to spend all of that time there because I think that this is Easter Sunday. So let me see what we have in the celebrations collection here and see if I can find something for Easter. Here it is. I was looking right at it the whole time. Like, I know there has to be an Easter sticker somewhere in here. I'm gonna put this on one of these scalloped edges again, maybe, and just give it a little extra something there for Easter Sunday. I don't know if I have a weekend banner somewhere, but that would be cool too. Maybe in this Christian Designs, there's a weekend. I have these. All right, I did find in this binder, I do have some weekend stickers. So in this case, let's go with this kind of lilac color. I'm just gonna put this down here. While I was flipping through, I found these Relax and Chill, which I think is perfect for Easter Sunday as well. All right, so I think we're just about there actually. All right, so here's what we're looking at all together. And I noticed that I have a totally open Saturday. Like we have nothing scheduled there. I think maybe Loon has like a hockey game or something going on in the evening, but otherwise it's just gonna kind of be a chill weekend with my mom. All right, and I think that actually does it for this week's Plan With Me. So thank you so much for joining, especially if you're here all the way at the end. I totally appreciate you. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.